That was so close. Oh my god. Can't hit him. Dang!
What? It was underwater for some reason.
I just got a grapple refresh. Why do you always get a sniper? Wait, I want to try to hit a trick shot. In the head? For the bed? Oh. I'll be asking. Bro, why one of my friends' names is Sigma? The Havoc sounds weird. Ooh, I choked so hard. I was trying to get my hunting rifle out so I could try to. Let's go.
GG's.
Jeez. My bitch so bad, you Spain. Okay. I like that the weapons are bigger now.
Why?
Like when you load in.
Yeah.
Make me stress. This AR sucks. Oh my god. Trick shot. Get lost. Giggles. Double. Yes, I got the new exotic Havoc. I meant the new exotic. What's it? The pump. Pump shotgun. The exotic one. Nice. Oh, you're cooked. GG's to you.
Okay.
Holy moly! I can't get out of storm. I'm dead. If I hit that. Bro, the bush season. I don't miss it. Bah.
Just a little warm up, you know.
It's a rocket launcher.
I need to warm up my builds more.
Rocket launcher.
I just had the gun on water there. 2 million, please.
Hey, don't kill me.
Give me one reason not to.
Alright. Yo! Is that a stinger?
No?
Do you like the primal?
No?
Season?
No?
That's it. Do you like primal? Oh, I suck. Oh my god.
That was actually really clean. Can't lie. GG's.
GG's.
The double wall replace after you broke it though. Quickly replaced it again.
Alright, I got what you want. I got something. See, I got Louis Vuitton. Yo!
I didn't mean to do that.
Oh my god. That just.
Got the gun
I'm
I didn't
definitely
want.
not using the code right now.
Okay. It didn't really matter to me. Oh, would you look at that? I found a Reaper Sniper. And a
I
Mythic
got a-
Havoc. And a Mythic
oh.
Havoc.
And I got. No chopping? Question mark? Should I use this on you?
If you want.
I don't know. I hate that gun. It's so bad. I'm gonna die. I almost just died from it. This shit on now. Man.
GG's.
Oh. GG's.
I love snipers.
Wait, do you know if Lames still plays Fortnite?
I have no idea.
'Cause I played with that guy in a week. No, like 2 weeks. 3 weeks, actually.
Yeah. Yes, I got the gun I wanted.
So I got the gun I want. Like, this is my, like real loadout. Bro, why do you always get a sniper? I swear it's not fair.
I don't have a sniper.
You need a better
I'm looking for a sniper though.
A shotgun.
Oh, I found the new exotic pump. Let's go. Okay, I need
Yeah,
I need
it
a
looks sick.
I need a sniper. I found a sniper.
Kill. Are you cheating?
Come on. Come out. Okay. I see how it is.
Yeah, you do. I don't know how you. 121. Yeah, you have a sniper. Don't push me. Please, don't. Please. I need this. My mama's kinda homeless. Saving.
It's making me roll backwards. Yeah, I might actually lose this here. Ooh.
Oh my god, I cracked you.
You just kept going up and up and up. Give me a gun I want. Give it to me. Give it to me. I had it. No.
Yes.
How did it get? No, I lost it again. I suck.
Bro, please. I don't want to get sniped. Please. Please. See if that works. I missed. Got height.
I have to take a hollow twister because I didn't get the gun I wanted.
You're cheating, bro. What sniper is that?
Semi-auto, I think, or something.
Please, give me one chance here. Please.
I'm giving you a chance.
I need this. My mom is kinda homeless. Oh. I miss. Just give me a chance, man.
Oh, okay. Fine. You can... I'll give you a chance.
Did you just jump off?
Yeah?
For yourself. Wait, what happens if I don't have friends? Do I ever use ZL?
Hmm?
Blood's kissing someone.
No, I lost it.
I'll tell you code.
I don't want any codes. I'm just trying to get a specific gun. I didn't get it again.
Bro, how am I supposed to let go of something if my loadout is so good? But I got a sense. But got a sense. Where are you? How did I boogie myself? Like, why do you have to be like that? This is nice though. They're gonna really be like that, man. Cat wind farm. You're camping me in storm, bro.
I'm hip firing with the drum gun and giving you more of a chance.
Bro, like,
Ah! I'm hitting myself with those.
no chopping? But you don't need a chop.
GG's.
Imagine Kinja with the full beard on his face. Imagine all his JD if he didn't eat all his food off his plate. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Awesome.